I hope you can see. But here's Fanny on her new play stand. Are you playing, Fanny? Yeah? One of those parrot towers. Oh, you want to get on the camera too? Hi, Chloe. Here's Chloe. Always on my chairs, which annoys me. Because she... What, are you following me, Chloe? She chews them. What are you doing? There's Fanny. Hi. Careful now. How come you're not playing now that I put the camera on? You're more interested in the camera? And there's Maisie, watching all the action. Hi, Maisie. Good dog. Is that Chloe? Huh? Hi. You want to be on the camera too? Huh? I love you, Chloe. Yeah. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Don't you fly off there. I can tell you want to fly off. Forget it. Bye-bye.